welcome back to another episode of Scooter of the Week. I am your host, Greg, and today I'm presenting the Raptor 2 three-wheel scooter by Pride Mobility. It's part of their Baja line. This, to me, it's more of a recreational feel. I did the four-wheel last week, so they're very similar. Just really, this one has three wheels, while the other one had four wheels. But you've got the same weight capacity, 400 pounds. This one has a top speed. You can get, I'd say, between 13 to 15. I've gotten up to 15 miles per hour, so it's pretty fast. You've got great 16-inch tubeless pneumatic tires, larger wheels, but real nice, soft cushion with that full suspension and everything. As far as the range on this one, depending on the terrain, the user's weight, you can get anywhere between about 19 miles to 31 miles per charge. So it has a great range as well. It's a heavier scooter. I mean, you're looking at total with the batteries and everything, it's nearly 320 pounds. So I'd say, again, this one is probably best for like a community scooter around your neighborhood. You can go pretty fast and pretty far. So for more information on the Baja Raptor 2 three-wheel scooter by Pride Mobility, call AutoMobility Store 800-431-3183, and don't forget to subscribe and comment below.